The Windows Azure Marketplace contains several data feeds that can be free or on sale. You can load these feeds into the Power Pivot data model using a specific user interface that enables you to look for the data feed that you want and to select filters on the data that you want to download from the marketplace. In Power Pivot window, you select From Data Service and then From Windows Azure Marketplace. At this point, you are connecting to the service Windows Azure Marketplace, which is a repository of many data feeds that can be free or can require a fee. You need a Windows account in order to access to this marketplace, but you can access without any credit card in order to get the free data stream that you have available. Now, for example, we can search for data feeds that contains specific information about the keyword that you type. For example, if you write crime, you filter all the feeds that contains data related to crime, as you see now. You can continue the search, for example, by writing population, and in this case you can see data feeds that contains information about the population of an area. A common need in Power Pivot is creating a date table, and so you can use the date stream data feed, which is a free data feed available in the marketplace that can be easy to use in order to create a table that contains all the columns that you need in a calendar table, in a date table. By selecting the data stream data feed, you have another page that allows you to filter data and to select which columns to import. For example, the year key column can be filtered selecting only one year, and in this case you type 2010 and then you click the filter button in order to see a preview of the data that you will import. The checkbox that you see in the lower part of this dialog box allows you to select different tables that will be filtered according to the filters that you applied before. Every checkbox corresponds to a specific table that may have just a different localized version of the same calendar, but we have also other two special tables, which are hour-minute and hour-minute-second. These two tables are not filtered according to the filter that you applied to the calendar, but they contain a fixed number of rows, the number of minutes that you have in a day for hour-minute, and the number of seconds that you have in a day for hour-minute-second. We select only basic calendar English and hour-minute, and we confirm the selection of the query in order to go to the next step. Once you confirm the name of the connection, you can see the list of the tables that are going to be imported from the data feed. In this case, we only select the basic calendar English and we import the entire content of the data. In this case, we have 365 days because we selected only 1 year. This is just an example of how much time you can save by downloading ready-to-use data feeds from the Azure Marketplace. Of course, there are much more data feeds that you can use, and I invite you to see what is available on this service.